Never miss another episode of your favorite shows with TiVo One Pass Manager. You probably already know how easy it is to record one show with your TiVo. Select the show you'd like to record, then just hit the record button on your remote. Did you also know that your TiVo DVR can record multiple TV series at the same time and gather all episodes of a series using the One Pass Manager? One Pass Manager will add them directly to your My Shows list and will display episodes available to watch instantly from On Demand, Netflix, and more. Select a show from the guide via the search feature and hit the record button. There, choose One Pass and other options, followed by Create a One Pass. You can press Select to record all the shows, or scroll up and select Options to modify the recording settings. If you want to modify your existing One Pass, press TiVo Central. Access Search One Pass and Manage, then select One Pass Manager. Choose the show you want to modify or cancel the recording setup. Another easy way to record your favorites is to access TiVo Central. Under Search, One Pass, and Manage. Here, you can create a new wishlist search by accessing WishList searches. Enter the show, movie, director, or genre, and WishList will find it and automatically record it for you when you select Auto Record on the item of interest. And that's it. Simple solutions. Just one of the many reasons most people choose Cogeco.